Okay, so let's continue. So now any questions on this workflow rules on creation? Okay, so now let's see. I'm going to delete these time dependent reactions. Let me explain this one. Edit this workflow rule. Now I want to perform same for created and every time it's edited. Now the name itself it is saying that when a record is created or it just edited. When you edit and save the record also this workflow rule will be triggered. That's what it's saying. And it's saying that you cannot add time dependent workflow actions within this option. Okay. Using this action, this time-based actions cannot be performed. See this? So it is saying that you cannot change the evaluation criteria to every time a record is created or edited while you have the time triggered associated with this rule. Okay? Means the time-based actions can be added to the workflow rules when its evaluation criteria is created or created and anytime it's edited to subsequently meet the criteria. Means first and third evaluation criteria are eligible for adding the time-based actions. If you select the second evaluation criteria, you can't add the time-based actions. Now, cancel this. Delete this time-based actions. Remove it. Save this. This also has to be deleted. Fine. Delete. Once you delete, save this. Then now you can change the evaluation criteria to this. Okay. So what is the second option? Created and every time it's edited means when a record is created or edited, then automatically this workflow rule will trigger. And then condition is come. Condition should be true. That should be come. Now let's say till now you have received some email alerts. Okay. Edit the record. You just save this. Okay? You have not changed anything, but you will receive an email. See this? Email alert has been received. And then another task also has been created. This field update also has been done. Okay. Now what I need is if it is a new record or if the email is changed, then only I need to perform. Email is changed means the record is edited, right? Or if a new record is created, then only I need to fire this workflow rule. Then change the evaluation criteria. Simple. Use this is changed of this one. Okay. Just save this. Check syntax. Here, what I'm going to do is, or is new means is changed of customer email or is new. Then and This one should not be blank. This should be under. Okay, syntax error is not there. Now what happens is, see, even if you edit this, save it. Now this won't file this workflow rule because this condition is not right. Okay. Now let's have it 2, 1, save it. Now also the workflow rule will be fired, but it will be sent to the customer. But this email is not ours, so it will be dummy email. Again, change back to SFDC training. Save it. Now, as the criteria is true, again, this email workflow alerts might be fired and will send the details. Okay, this is about second evolution criteria. Understand? Next, what is third evolution criteria? This is very tricky. Okay, let me give the same. Not customer. Okay, I'm giving is customer email is not blank. Okay, selecting third evolution criteria. This created and any time it's edited to subsequently meet the criteria. Means when a record is created, if this condition is true, then this workflow rule will be fired. Next time when you edit that, it won't fire because it is saying created and anytime it's edited to subsequently meet the criteria. If criteria is, the third evaluation criteria is very tricky. Third evaluation criteria, see, condition, if it is true, okay, it will be fired. Then it won't fire again. When you edit the record, even though condition is true, it won't fire. But if you made the record condition is false, okay, then it won't fire. Fine. This is common, means if condition is false, then automatically it will fail. And if it comes to false to true, then again it will be fine. I'll help you to understand this one. Let me show this. See this, I'm giving this one. See, if customer email is not blank, then send the email alert and perform these actions. This is what we have, right? Now, let's go and create one customer. Customer 8, giving same information. Remove this, India. Okay, save this. Okay, this is all done, right? Now the workflow has been filed. Say this, email has been already sent. Okay, now again just edit, save. Now also this criteria is true, right? Because email is not blank. This criteria is true, but it won't fire the email or it won't fire. Workflow rule won't be fired because this is already fired. The third evaluation criteria, once the condition is true and workflow is fired, then when you edit the record second time or third time, whatever it is, if the condition is true also, that won't be fired. Only once it will be fired. Okay, but when the second time will be fired, let's say here, let me show this, it's not fired. See, save this. This is not fired because the values are not updated. Okay, even delete this. You can delete this. customer. Now I am to make the criteria false. Means till now, if email is not blank, that is the condition, right? Now I'm making this customer email is blank. Now it came from true to false, right? Not blank to blank. Now it is blank. Again, change the value now. Save it. Now it's coming from false to true condition, right? Automatically, this workflow rule will be fired. That is what's the difference among those three evolution criteria. Okay. So an evolution workflows, first, what is a workflow? What are evolution criteria are there? What is a rule criteria? And what are the different actions we can perform? And what are the time dependent actions? How time dependent? One small concept. Now what we are sending is, this is dummy email we are sending, right? This is a dummy email. It is sending some kind of just blah 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 and this. It is not a valid email address, right? For that, what we are going to do is we have to design our own email templates. Means we have to write our own email like hi customer name and then your wallet amount is this one we have to send, right? So for this, what we can do is email template. There is one concept called classic email templates. Okay. So for this email templates, if you want to create a folder, you can create a folder to keep that like customer emails, customer. Okay. And give the access read write. This, save this. Okay, I'm going to create email template. Okay, so what is a email template? What type of information you want to send to the customer? That information will be captured in one email. Okay, that is called email template. There are four types of email templates: text, HTML with letterheads, custom email templates, visual force templates. Okay, first let's see the text email templates. We'll see later the HTML. Okay, text HTML templates. I'm going to create. So you have to check the checkbox for available for use. Then give this one welcome email. Description is not optional. You can say subject. So in email, you should have the subject, right? What subject you have to give? Welcome. Okay. Now you need to give the information. Welcome email for, you want to give the customer name here. Okay. So that what you can do is here select the customer fields, then give the name. This is not the customer. Where is the customer object? Load the object details. Customer. Customer fields are not displayed. See, standard customer. Object is not also email template. Might be some settings are missed. So best. Choose. So what you can do is instead of this, you can give welcome for like this customer underscore c dot name. Okay. Hi, customer name. So your email, whatever the email format you have to give, you can use. So welcome to the company. Work details or below. One name is just a second, guys. Customer email, right? Customer email underscore C. Okay. Then give something like thanks. You can give as created by or let's say Salesforce. You can give whatever. These are called merge fields. So don't use the standard field names. You will be getting confused. Use student or employee or some information because customer is a standard object. You will not be able to see this information. Okay. So this is how you can use. These are called merge fields. Usually what you can do is, let's say if you select student, we have student, right? If you want to get the student name, select student name, then copy this one and paste here. The same information, I'm just doing it by manually. Customer double underscore C dot name. Okay, save this. This is plain email text. Okay, this is plain email alert. Now, if you want to see how this email alert will be, just use send test and verify match fields. Use this. Select the customer, any of the customer. Okay, I'm not sure whether this will be correct one or not. Okay, customer 8. Send to SVSFDC training. Use this. Okay. Now you will receive one email alert. How it looks like. Okay. Welcome email for customer 8. Hi customer, welcome to the company. Your details are below. name customer 8, email is this one. Okay, this is how you can frame your emails. Okay, then how to use this one? Go to the this is email alert, right? Can so while creating the email alert on the workflow, you can add this one. Else this email alert you can just use, remove this email alert, email template, and then select your one. This is under customer folder. Go there, select this one, and save this. Okay, after that activate this workflow. Okay, so this workflow is activated. Okay, so this is how it works. Now let's go and create one customer. Okay, remove this, save. Okay, so the item one, this one. Now let's see what is the email, how it comes. Okay, email, welcome email for customer 9, and this is the text it is. Okay, this is just text email template. We have HTML and another one is custom email template, and the one visual post email template. I'll explain it later. For now, you guys try to understand this workflow rule, how to use, what are the evaluation criteria, and this is straight question will be asked in the interviews. There is no option. Okay, if you ask what is your workflow, you have to explain each and everything. What is your workflow? What is evaluation criteria? What is rule criteria? And when, what are the time-based actions? What is immediate actions? How the email alerts will be performed? And how many actions can be performed? All these things you should explain. Okay. So any questions for now? Okay, thank you.